Hi class. Today I am talking about a special hobby of mine, which is rock or mineral collecting. Some personal background is 2 years ago is when I adopted the hobby. The interest came from a coworker of mine. One day after a shift, she took me to the store where she gets all of her stuff, and we explored the store, and they talked to us about the different types of rocks and their meanings, and at that moment is when I fell in love with the rocks. Like shopping, a new habit started. I just instantly had a connection with them. I wanted to keep learning more about it. And to this day, it's one of my favorite things to do. Types of rocks and minerals. There are 3 types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. We learned this in middle school, so it's nothing really new. There are several thousand known minerals, so there's not really one you can just pinpoint, but they're all beautiful. An example of igneous is an obsidian rock. Sedimentary rocks include sandstone, and a metamorphic example is a marble rock. Some common minerals that people may know are quartz, hematite, and mica. More minerals are calcite and amethyst. Over here, I included some pictures of the different types of rocks. My favorite minerals, there are 6. So, to start off, it's tiger's eye, pyrite, amethyst, quartz, malachite, and howlite. They each have different meanings. That's why I love them so much and I connect with them a lot. Tiger's eye is meant for strength. Howlite is for wisdom, and amethyst is for purification. Pyrite is one of my favorites because, as you can see right here, it looks like gold, and I love gold. Malachite is for protection, and quartz is for clarity. Over here in the back, you can see an example of malachite. This purple one right here is amethyst. Over here, it's kind of tiny, but that's what tiger's eye looks like. And right here is a quartz. The difference between rocks and minerals. A mineral is a naturally occurring substance. Rocks are made up of 2 or more minerals. Minerals have a repeating atomic arrangement, which rocks do not. Some rocks to me have a bland appearance, which is why I'm kind of just not really attracted to them as much. Minerals, on the other hand, they're more vibrant and they look more pretty to me. But they also have the different meanings, which is why I like them a lot. Minerals are also referred to as crystals. So if you hear someone say crystals, minerals, they're the same thing. My opinion, I usually do collect more minerals than rocks. The crystals mean more because of what they stand for. I think it's really cool that we have something that grows naturally and we can just collect them and, just examine them, learn more about them. And I will continue to explore and learn more about the rocks and crystals and gather more as I go on. Here is my works cited page where I got all the information that I was stating before. And I appreciate all of you for listening to this presentation, and I hope you learned something new, or if you have a question, let me know. Thank you so much.